have here, guys. They gave me permission to take a look. I ain't gonna put your license plate in it. It's a Lexus IS. Okay guys, so as you all may know, when we bought this van, it was wrecked. And we decided that we needed a new hood because when we first got the van, the hood flew up and cracked our windshield. So me and Shelly decided to go to the junkyard yesterday and buy a brand new hood for it. Well, not brand new, but it's in perfect condition. And this is it. So we're gonna get it fixed up and paint it right, and we're gonna repaint the whole van. As a matter of fact, we're gonna go with the black and gray theme, you know, black with gray trim or gray with black trim, we're not sure. I've got a brand new headlight assembly mount coming in for my headlight, and you know, we're doing a lot of things to it. So guys, I'm gonna put some all-terrains on here, and my next mission is my locking diff. So stay tuned, we're coming.